Everyone, welcome to Cuboid Pharmacy Study Circle. Today I will discuss about pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Most important 30 MCQs in oriented in GPAT and NIPER ESIs in competitive pharmacy examination. This section very helpful in MCQs in all pharma related exams. Okay, let's start the class today. The first question, what one of the following is an antioxidant? Option A, boric acid. Option B, sodium chloride. Option C, hydrochloric acid. Option D, sodium metasulfite. The correct option is option D, sodium metasulfite. This question about explanation, ascorbic acid, sodium metasulfite, etc. Example like antioxidants. Second question, sodium hydroxide is option A, acidic in nature. Option B, basic in nature. Option C, neutral. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is option B, basic in nature. Explanation, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda is highly alkaline, basic and caustic in nature. Question number 3. Acid and base theory given by option A, Lewis theory. Option B, John theory. Option C, Hamilton theory. Option D, Raman theory. The correct option A, Lewis theory. About explanation in this question, acid and base theory was given by Big Brent and Lewis theory. Question number 4. The color of boric acid powder is option A, white color. Option B, pink color. Option C, black color. Option D, orange color. The correct option is option A, white color. About this question explanation, boric acid is antibacterial compound. It is a white color powder. Question number 5. The color of boric acid powder is option A, white color. Option B, pink color. Option C, black color. Option D, orange. The correct option A, white color. Explanation, boric acid in an antibacterial compound. It is white color powder. Question number 6. Caustic soda is synonym. Option A, sodium hydroxide. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, CaCO7. Option D, iodine. The correct option A, sodium hydroxide. Explanation, caustic soda is synonym for sodium hydroxide. Question number 7. Buffer solution are used to option A, increase the pH of the solution. Option B, decrease of the pH of the solution. Option C, maintain the pH the solution. Option D, none of the above. Correct option C, maintain the pH solution. About this question explanation, buffers are used to maintain the pH of the solution. Question number 8. Hypophosphorus acid is used as a option A, antacid. Option B, acidifier. Option C, antioxidant. Option D, buffer. Correct answer option C, antioxidant. Explanation, H3PO2 is a present powerful reducing agent. It is used as antioxidant. Question number 9. Which one of the following is used in dental preparation? Option A, NaL. Option B, sodium fluoride. Option C, sodium hydroxide. Option D, sodium hydrocarbonate. The correct option B, sodium fluoride. About this explanation, sodium fluoride is anti-caries agent. Next question, sodium fluoride is generally used in option A, toothpaste. Option B, emetic. Option C, anti-acid formulation. Option D, inhalant gas. The correct option A, toothpaste. Explanation about toothpaste and anti-caries agent used. Question number 11. The abrasive used in toothpaste or tooth powder is option A, sodium hydroxide. Option B, calcium carbonate. Option C, sodium carbonate. Option D, sodium metasulfite. Correct option C, sodium carbonate. This question explanation about sodium carbonate is used as abrasive in dental preparation. It is also used in washing powder. Question number 12. The desensitizer used in dental products. Option A strontium, option B sodium chloride, option C calcium, option D calcium phosphate. Correct option A strontium. This question explanation about for dental sensitive strontium chloride is used in dental products. Question number 13. The phenomena of zinc chloride. Option A baking powder, option B liquid solution, option C caustic soda, option D butter of zinc. The correct option D of butter of zinc. Explanation: zinc chloride, also known as buffer of zinc, is used as astringent as disinfectant agent. Question number 14. Dental product used for the prevention of caries is option A stannous, option B iodine, option C detergent sodium, option D none of the above. The correct option A stannous. This question explanation about stannous fluoride is used as anti-caries agent. Question number 15. Precipitated chalk is phenomena. Option A calcium carbonate, option B potassium carbonate, option C sodium carbonate, option D hydrochloric acid. The correct answer option A calcium carbonate. Explanation: calcium carbonate is also known as precipitate chalk and chalk. Question number 16. Mostly widely used anti-caries agent is option A sodium bicarbonate, option B sodium fluoride, option C sodium carbonate, option D acacia. The correct option is option C sodium carbonate. About this question explanation: fluoride as sodium fluoride or stannous fluoride is used as anti-caries agent. Question number 17. Inhalant are generally given by option A nasal route, option B intramuscular, option C intravenous, option D none of the above. The correct option is option A nasal route. Explanation: inhalants are meant for lungs and given through nasal route. Question number 18. Oxygen is a option A saline, option B sweet, option C tasteless, option D none of the above. The correct option is option C tasteless. Question number 19. Laughing gas is option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D nitrous oxide. The correct option is nitrous oxide NTO. This question about explanation: nitrous oxide NTO analgesic and anesthetic properties used. Question number 20. Aromatic spirit of ammonia A is option A expectorant, option B astringent, option C antidote, option D respiratory stimulant. The correct option D respiratory stimulant. This question about explanation: it is used to prevent or treat fainting. Question number 21. The color of cylinder of nitrous oxide. Option A red color, option B blue color, option C black color, option D orange color. The correct option B blue color. This question about explanation: nitrous oxide laughing gas N2O is used as anesthetic agent in deficiency and supplied in blue colored cylinder. Question number 22. A gas used for fumigation. Option A ethylene, option B nitrogen oxide, option C sulfur dioxide, option D oxide. Correct option C sulfur dioxide. This question about explanation: sulfur dioxide is a fumigating gas. Option 23. Question number 23. Expectorant used for the treatment. Option A cough, option B acidity, option C diarrhea, option D vomiting. The correct option A cough. About this question explanation: cough expectorants and a guaifenesin are used in cough. Question number 24. Potassium iodide is used as a source of option A calcium, option B iodine, option C sodium, option D sulfur. The correct option B iodine. Explanation: POT is iodide. Potassium iodide is a good source of iodine. Question number 25. Amachlor is synonym of option A ammonium chloride, option B potassium chloride, option C sodium chloride, option D ammonium hydroxide. The correct option B potassium chloride. Explanation: ammonium chloride is also known as amachlor, used as diuretic and expectorant. Question number 26. Inorganic saline expectorant is option A ammonium chloride, option B sodium bicarbonate, option C sulfuric acid, option D none of the above. The correct answer option A ammonium chloride. Explanation: ammonium chloride as is an inorganic saline expectorant. 27. Which one of the is an antiemetic agent? Option A ammonium chloride, option B amorphine, option C diamenahydrinite, option D diphenoxide. Correct option C diamenahydrinite. Explanation: diphenoxide is a OTC drug used as the antiemetic agent. Question number 28. Antidotes are substances used in option A dental caries, option B poisoning, option C infection, option D diagnostic agent. The correct answer option B poisoning. This question about explanation: antidotes are used in poisoning management. Question number 29. Antidote used in cyanide poisoning is option A sodium chloride, option B sodium thiosulfate, option C sodium bicarbonate, option D potassium iodide. The correct option B sodium thiosulfate. Explanation: sodium thiosulfate, amyl nitrate and sodium nitrate are etc. Final question. Question number 30. Sodium thiosulfate is option A deliquescent, option B efflorescent, option C hygroscopic, option D